There may come a day in your use of HubSpot when you find yourself blocked for one reason or another, a report that doesn't display as you wish, an automation that is causing issues, a feature you can't find, etc., etc. This can quickly become frustrating, but the good news is that, as far as HubSpot is concerned, you will never be abandoned. There are a host of solutions to your problems. First is the knowledge base. HubSpot provides a multitude of tutorial pages to answer your technical issues related to the use of the platform. One advantage is that this knowledge base is ranking really well in terms of SEO and therefore very easily accessible. For instance, how to set marketing contacts in HubSpot, it will be the first link. You click on it and you will have a detailed explanation on the how to make this come true. Now let's imagine that you can't find your answer in knowledge base or in Google research. HubSpot provides us a support. You can click here on help and you will ask your question, and HubSpot will give you really condensed results to try to answer your issue. The good thing is that if this doesn't help because your issue is not exactly as what HubSpot provides you, you can click on Contact Us and choose Chat. On this chat, you will find a chatbot, but if you ask to speak to a real person, they will give you a real agent to talk to. And even though their goal is mainly to give you the good knowledge base page regarding your issue, they will have access to your portal and data, so they might help you to solve your issue in a more precise way. And one bonus tip for the one that have chat isn't available right now, you can go to settings, your preferences and general, and if you're bilingual, you can choose another language that will correspond to another support team that might be available. So click in French, for instance, and save, wait 5 minutes and try to open the chat again. Another way to solve your issue is the HubSpot community. So HubSpot created a community portal named community.hubspot.com that will organize all the different discussion and issues that users have created on that platform. So basically, if you encounter a problem, there's a good chance that others before you have also been through it. So browse the different posts to check, and if not, post your problem and an army of very active contributors will be there to answer you in the shortest delay. You can also post your need for new features. If it receives enough support, it may be considered by the HubSpot team for a future implementation. And the last way to get all the answers you need is to use the personalized GPT Hub Helper Harry created by Nicolas Lafakis. He spent a lot of time to implement all the knowledge base of HubSpot and continually providing new resources to update this GPT, and every time I tried it, it was really precise in answering my questions. So I really recommend you using this GPT if you have any technical issue with the software. And so normally with these 4 different methods to solve your issue, you will be able to solve 95% of your problems. And for the 5% that left, you can ask me anything in the comment of my videos or send me directly an email. I will be really happy to help you. I hope you enjoy this video. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up, to subscribe to this channel, and to save this playlist to make sure you don't miss any new chapter of this free training. And don't forget the link in the description below that gives you this free access to all the content of this free training, plus more additional content on how to set up your HubSpot portal in the most efficient way possible. For those who are discovering me through this video, I'm Grégoire, HubSpot expert for more than 7 years now, and I will see you very soon for more HubSpot tips.